Hello, I'm back to my channel. Please, sorry to I'm not upload forever. Please subscribe for more videos. And I wanna Brookhaven play. A Brookhaven it's not sus okay. It's that's a good okay. A good a good play. Now I will sharing you for this time. I wanna like this video for more videos and more more shorts, more videos in this YouTube. Subscribe my channel for more videos. So I will give Robux to your subscribe. I'm give away Robux to 1 week, okay? Don't cry, okay? You are playing Roblox. Now you had me and I will give you a nice character in Roblox. And I will give you Robux and I will give you 1 trillion candy blossom and raccoon. It's okay, one okay. One raccoon. Okay, do you want raccoon? Subscribe my channel. Our I will like this video. I will give you raccoon. Now just look this carnival, summer carnival. So look, get fries and enjoy rides. Play games. I wanna play games too. Got ticket. Got ticket. What is that? What is that? Let's play basketball. I wanna play this in Tagalog. Yeah. Gumagawa ako ng instructions. So, Tagalog po ako, kaya kung gusto niyo pong mabigyan ng ay huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, kasi first time ako mag-vlog. Kasi nga, wala akong magagawa. Paano na yan? Kasi, iba kong mga kaibigan, Tagalog sila video. Ito na ngayon, I wanna play the Brooksfield Pets. Let's try, okay? Let's try. Run. Okay, sit down. Sit. Go, I wanna sit. Okay. Your subscribe it and mag-subscribe at like ang video para lagi kayong updated sa mga video ko at mag-subscribe na din po kayo kasi natin si kuya. Wow. OMG. So tong character na to ibubuhay ko to kung mag-subscribe kayo dahil mura lang naman yan. Bibilin ko yan. Which is itong balloon pop. Try natin. Wala. Tignan mo natin. I'm excited. So, VIP rewards 1 day 60 hours. Wow. Purchase. Oh no, 99 Robux. Unti lang naman yung Robux ko. Mga nasa 450 lang na Robux ko. Magkano ba ito pag in-out ko? Itong character ko. So, balik na sa bitaan ko, guys. Ito ay mga nasa 158k thousand. Pero okay lang naman yan. Kasi para sa akin, okay lang yan. So, dito na muna po nagtatapos ang video ko. So, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa video ko at magkakaroon ng raccoon 1 trillion shekels sa Grow a Garden. And, alam niyo na, Robux. Kaya, kung gusto niyo ng madaming video, mag-subscribe kayo and like. So, bye-bye. Subscribe.